so strong, and the wind was blowing the smoke, that they just indoors.
Yeah, that was the same the year before.
I know, it was really bad. It was been so dry.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
she said anyway, but everything's going ahead for the holiday.
Are you alright?
Guys,
Wait.
Guys, my bus.
Ever, you come in? You come in?
Come on.
Come on! Bus! Where's Rory?
Thank you.
You wait for
Rory!
me.
The
Hold
bus!
the bus. What are you doing?
Idiot.
Hold the bus. Hold it for me. Wait. I'm coming. Oh. Hold the bus. Drive.
I was thinking of sleep.
You're a legend. I love you. Snita. No, drive, thank you. Caddy T. You know, you're the best. Thank you, drive. Team Young?
stay together.
So when you said from before, last night, like, what did you mean?
You won't understand. I don't understand.
Oh, well, try me.
Ti'n gwybod lle i dechrau, even?
Like, you know you can tell me anything, right? Like, I don't know if something's happened. Or you took something, which means you're on a bad
I didn't
trip,
take
so I'm-
anything! At least I don't think I did.
Lol. Look at this. Since when do airliners exist?
Well, they don't. What are you talking about?
They do.
Airliner Cecil, winter 2052. For thousands of half-price seats to the US, including New York. What, up to 30 hours?
What? 30
Nah,
hours?
this ain't
That's a bit
real.
shit.
This ain't real. Yo,
Wait.
yo, look at this. Look at this.
What's an airliner?
This, apparently.
Oh my god. That looks pretty sick!
Isn't it?
Oh my, is that a swimming pool?
Oh, it's fake. Defo.
Well, yeah, obviously it's fake. Well, obviously it's fake. Sit down, man. Get out my way.
Yeah.
What did you say?
Can't you hold him?
Oh, I see, okay.
Llygeision.
What?
Where did you get this?
It just came up on my timeline.
When?
Just now.
No one sent it to you.
No. No offense, Sev, but what's up?
That's weird.
What, Bessie?
I was just listening to the radio, then the sky came on.
That storm over the bay last night? Quite the light show. But back to this morning. Temperatures today likely to peak at 33 degrees average for September. The PPM is 497 and the hurricane warning level has switched from orange to green. Still some heavy rain forecast for later tonight though, and with a wind speed of 60 miles per hour. Likewise, you would have that stroke
Who is
of
that?
average.
Like, who is it?
Taking us back to the summer of 32 now, with this beautiful track from Left Frig and Greta Isaac.
Isaac!
What, Lampswell?
Yeah.
Wait, did he just say summer of 32?
Yeah, what is vibes? Trust you, you're always finding all of this weird shit.
Find anything, it just came on randomly, and now...
Wait, I want to hear it.
All be easy. I wish I could lay it all to rest. Now I understand. I see it all so clearly.
Ti'n gwybod y gan yma?
Mae Luna yn caru fe. It was at our wedding.
Your wedding?
Wedding! Hey, that's like we're gonna keep it light, keep it light, keep it light.
What do you mean keep it light?
It's a song. Eva's the only one who knows it, we don't know it.
Yeah.
The DJ said that it's from 32, but it doesn't sound old, it sounds new, it's different. It's like,
The guy's like, and then the woman's like,
Where'd it go?
what was it called again?
Feelings.
stop the bus! Ed, chill out! Where's he going?
Come on, halfway Emma,
Thanks a lot.
oh, she can't be serious.
Why are we getting off now?
Why? Oh my
Is
god.
she serious?
There's no point in us getting off.
Emma, where are you going?
Emma.
You got fans.
instead, you know? It's just an advert, Eva.
Yeah, for Babel pods and heavy.
What's Babel pods?
Wait, what is that?
How should I know?
I don't know. She's lost it.
Can you see? It's not just me. Come on.
What are you on about?
Ev,
What does that even mean? What does that mean?
Where are you off to?
Sorry. Did she say anything?
tell me anything.
Eva.
Ev. What does that mean? Anyone?
Please, just
Wait.
wait.
What's going on?
This toilet's in the cinema, Eva.
Eva, why are you running? Eva, can you just tell us what's
Where are we
going
going?
on?
Yeah, what do you mean? It's not just me. What? Just trust me. Okay.
What does that mean?
What? Trust what?
Ev.
I don't know. That's our future. No way, but my God, That must be photoshopped. I can't see.
That's where John lives.
Hey, that's my phone.
Sorry. Sorry.
Okay. My name is Ethan, and I'm speaking to you from whoever guessed this message. Please listen. Everything that's happening right now, it's not just another crazy conspiracy. After an electrical storm anomaly, things have become a bit... I don't know. A bit scrambled. People in 2022 have been hearing voices.
Beth ni'n gwylio?
I know.
From now, from your future, verified reports, and the data backs it up. This is the truth.
It's real.
Rory, just leave her.
Yup, she's in here. Found her.
Oh my God!
Whoa, I forgot how big this place is.
And the pantos. Remember those? The one with the big, massive, bloody car.
Oh, yeah, actually, I love that car. It was so cute. I wanted to take it home.
Oh, yeah, you tried, didn't you? But Miss Evans caught you dragging it out the back.
Yeah,
I
we all remember. Okay, let's move on.
Eva? Edrych arno fi.
Come on, Ev, what is this about? Look, is this about next year? College and that? Guys. Come on.
It's real. What you said in the video, it's real.
It's the internet, Eva. Nothing's real.
No, I know him. I've seen him before. The man, he works in the centre with the kids.
Well, what centre? What kids? What's she on about?
Well, then it can't be real then, can it? Not if you know him. Because he said he was in 2052 or something, didn't he?
Yeah, he did.
Seriously? Come on, let's go. We haven't been together in ages. Come on.
Step on tree,
Come on, Max, get up.
Look at you! No wonder you don't believe me. You're just a bunch of kids.
Whoa.
Just kids. What does that even mean?
I'm going. Today was meant to be about us being together. Lisa and I have work tomorrow, remember? This is the final summer before college. So this is it, last chance.
But talk about kids. You literally just made us chase you through Swansea.
Yeah, my honey, just stupid now, okay? At least you come in.
Okay. So you think it's true? What the man was saying in the video, you think people are trying to contact us from the future?
I know how it sounds. Believe me, I know. But yeah, I think it might be true.
Emphasis on might be.
No, it is true.
But why, though? Like, the internet is full of crazy shit like that. You know that. So why is this different?
Because it's not only the adverts and the messages from then.
God, what now?
It's me. I'm from then too.
No, Eva, you're from Mawrth, which is just up the A470, not from the future. Come on, like...
No, you're right, Dav. You're right. This me, this body, it's from here. It's from now. Fyddai'r, atgofion fi. Stod allan o'r môr, y storm. Gaddo, dwi o pryd ni. I promise, I'm from then. Shit.
Hey. Man okay? Huh? Teen okay?
No, Rory. I mean, she's obviously not okay.
Seriously? You're not falling for this? Come on, this is just her way of trying to get attention.
All right, back off. Dav, look at her.
No, maybe Dav's right. Maybe I've completely lost it. I mean, it feels real. I remember it.
Shit.
What?
Yeah, Roger's right. Since when has ever been able to sign like that?
What? Oh, come on. She's just had lessons or something. I don't know.
I want to go home. I need to go home. To my country.
Hey. Calm down, yeah? It's gonna be all right.
We'll sit. Beth, how do you want us to help, Ev? What can we do?
I want to see my nan again.
Again? Wait, what do you mean again?
How old is she in 2052, Rory?
Right. Okay, yeah. Of course.
Come on, let's get you out of here, yeah?
Wait. You believe me, right?
Nu'ama, Ev. And we're here for you. You know that. Whatever.
Yeah, I mean, come on. How long have we known each other? How long have we always been there for each other?
46 years. I've known you for 46 years.